Have you ever looked in the mirror and whispered, "I used to be someone else"? Age brings wisdom, but it also brings quiet moments of doubt. Many seniors find themselves asking where their confidence has gone. But the truth is, confidence is not gone. It is only buried beneath years of unspoken battles. And today, this video is your gentle reminder that it is never too late to uncover it again. Confidence isn't something we lose because of age. It's something that fades when we stop believing our life still matters. At 65 or 85, the heart still wants purpose, and the soul still seeks meaning. The world may seem faster, louder, and less patient, but your story still carries value that the world desperately needs. If you believe your life still has more to give, more to teach, and more to enjoy, then take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe for more stories that empower, inspire, and heal. Because sometimes, all someone needs is a voice that reminds them of their strength. Many people in old age silently suffer because they feel like they've been replaced by time, technology, or younger generations. But truthfully, your presence holds something irreplaceable. What you have lived through is not outdated, it is valuable. It is wisdom the world has forgotten how to ask for. The journey to rebuilding confidence starts with changing the story you tell yourself. The voice that says "I can't do this anymore" must be softened and replaced with a gentle reminder. You've done it before. You have survived before. You still can. You don't have to chase confidence. You only need to reconnect with it. Age doesn't erase your worth. It simply gives you a new lens to look through. One that sees deeper. One that remembers more. One that understands better. And with that understanding comes quiet strength. The first step is small. Wake up and make your bed. Take a slow walk. Read a book. Call someone you love. These may look like small actions, but they are the beginning of rebuilding the bridge between who you were and who you still are today. Confidence in old age isn't about becoming someone new. It's about becoming who you've always been, without the fear of judgment or the pressure to prove anything. You're not running out of time. You're just stepping into a slower, deeper, more meaningful rhythm. When you start to tell your story out loud, something changes. The moments you once thought were ordinary begin to shine. Your voice matters. Your memories matter. Someone, somewhere, is waiting to learn from the path you've walked. Let your life be a map for someone else. Loneliness is one of the biggest enemies of confidence. When we isolate ourselves, we begin to believe our thoughts without challenge. Rebuilding confidence means reconnecting with people, with hobbies, with the things that made us feel alive before the world became quieter. The world today moves fast, and technology can feel intimidating. But growth doesn't have an expiration date. Learning how to send a message, take a photo, or join a video call is not about keeping up. It's about staying connected, and every new skill learned adds one more layer to your confidence. The way you speak to yourself matters more than anything else. Be kind to your inner voice. It should speak with the same love you would offer a dear friend. Start your mornings with soft reminders. I am still valuable. I am still here. I am still becoming. Don't let the fear of making mistakes stop you from trying. You don't have to do everything perfectly. You only have to try with sincerity. Confidence is not built on flawless execution. It is built on the courage to show up again and again. Your environment plays a role in how you feel. Surround yourself with light, with music, with conversations that lift you. Watch things that encourage you. Read things that feed your heart. Positivity is not just a feeling. It is a choice you make every day. The past cannot be changed, but it can be accepted. And in that acceptance, you will find peace. Regret is a heavy burden. Let it go. You did the best you could with what you had, and that is enough. Confidence returns when guilt releases its grip. Taking care of your body sends a message to your mind that you still matter. Whether it's walking in the morning sun or eating something nourishing, these actions remind you that you are still worthy of care. You are not fading. You are still functioning, still capable. Purpose doesn't disappear with retirement. It simply changes shape. Maybe now it looks like volunteering. Maybe it's sharing stories with your grandchildren. Maybe it's painting, singing, or planting seeds. Whatever it is, it becomes the fire that keeps you moving forward. You don't have to do it all alone. Asking for help is not weakness. It is a quiet kind of strength. It says I trust others. It says I know I matter enough to receive support. Let others show up for you, just as you have shown up for others your whole life. Take a moment to reflect on everything you've already overcome. You've endured hardships, loss, heartbreak, change, and you're still here. That is not just survival. That is strength. And confidence grows when you honor what it took to keep going. Sometimes, rebuilding confidence is as simple as looking good to feel good. Wear clothes that make you smile. Comb your hair. Sit tall. When you show up for yourself physically, your mind takes notice and begins to follow. Aging is not something to be ashamed of. It is a badge of honor. Every wrinkle holds a laugh, a lesson, or a memory. Stand proudly in your years. You have earned every single one of them. Find someone who believes in you. Sometimes we need someone else to see the light in us when ours feels dim. Whether it's a neighbor, a therapist, or a friend, let them reflect back the truth of who you still are. Gratitude is the foundation of a peaceful life. Thank your hands, your feet, your breath. Thank the sun for rising today. Thank your life for continuing. Gratitude gently reminds you that you are still surrounded by blessings. Focus on what remains, not what is missing. You may not be able to do what you once did, but you can still smile. You can still listen. You can still love. These are the things that matter most, and they do not age. You are not too late. You are not too old. You are simply stepping into a different chapter. One that holds its own beauty, its own strength, and its own magic. Confidence is not behind you. It is beside you, waiting. So take a breath. Lift your chin. Look in the mirror and say it out loud. I am still me. And I am still worthy. Your story is not over. It is still unfolding. And the world is better because you're still in it.